Hello, I'm Will Inman, a partner with the law firm of Inman Kamenow. For over 25 years, Inman Kamenow has assisted injured workers with their workers' compensation claims. What is workers' compensation? It's insurance that covers people when they've been injured at work. What does it cover? It covers your lost wages for as long as you're unable to return to work and you're still recuperating from your injury. It covers all of your related medical bills for the rest of your life. It covers your prescription bills. It covers your travel expenses back and forth to your medical appointments. If your injury is severe enough that you cannot return to your former line of employment, it provides vocational rehabilitation and job placement assistance. Also, if you suffer a permanent disability as a result of your injury, that is covered as well. If your permanent disability is so bad that you can never return to gainful employment, you will receive lifetime benefits. What types of injuries do we see at Inman Kamenow? Amputations, electrocutions, injuries related to car accidents on duty, falls at work, injuries related to lifting heavy objects at work, injuries related to repetitive trauma, such as repetitive lifting at work, repetitive typing, repetitive pushing and pulling of objects. Injuries related to falls on ice and snow are also very common. If you feel that you've been injured while performing your job duties, here are a few things to keep in mind. A workers' compensation claim is not a lawsuit. It is simply an insurance claim against your employer's workers' compensation insurance company. Also, you are not allowed to be fired from your job because you file a workers' compensation claim. If your employer fired you because of your claim, they would be in violation of criminal statutes in both Maryland and the District of Columbia. When should you inform your employer that you were hurt at work? That answer is easy. Immediately. The second you are aware that you got injured at work, you should tell your employer. Failure to tell your employer immediately can adversely affect your ability to bring a claim. Can I use my health insurance to cover my injury instead of workers' compensation insurance? Probably not. Most health insurance plans exclude work injuries and direct the injured employee to use the workers' compensation insurance. So you should file your claim with the workers' compensation insurance for any work injuries you have, because that is the correct insurer for your injury. Next question. It's been a few weeks since my injury. Is it too late to file a claim? Well, it depends. There are time limits to file a workers' compensation claim. Failure to file the claim in a timely manner can forfeit your rights. You should contact an attorney at Inman Kamenow as soon as you are aware that you've been injured at work. Also, filing a workers' compensation claim does not mean filing it with the insurance company. Filing a workers' compensation claim means filing it with the appropriate government agency in Maryland or the District of Columbia as applicable. The next question we often receive from our clients is, how long will my workers' compensation benefits last? This varies in every case. The medical benefits are lifelong. You will receive coverage for your medical treatment that is directly related to your injury for the rest of your life. Your lost wage benefits will continue for as long as you are recuperating from your injury and you are unable to return to employment. Your permanent disability benefits will pay money to you for a period of time determined to be related to your injury. The length of the time depends on how bad your permanent disability is. In very severe cases, the permanent disability benefits can be lifelong as well. Also, you may be wondering, if I'm not suing my employer, why do I need an attorney? Well, the insurance company has a team of attorneys working to protect their interests. Their attorney's job is to minimize your recovery. In order to combat this, you need to have an attorney working for you, fighting for your benefits. But can you afford an attorney? The answer is absolutely yes. Attorneys' fees in Maryland and D.C. for workers' compensation cases are regulated by statute. If you do not receive a disability award or a settlement in your case, you do not owe any attorney's fee to your attorney. If you do receive a disability award or a settlement in your case, your attorney will receive a percentage of that amount of money as regulated by statute. In most cases, that percentage is 20%. Sometimes less, sometimes a little bit more, but always regulated by the Maryland Workers' Compensation Commission or the District of Columbia Office of Workers' Compensation. An attorney may not charge you more money than what the law allows. So what does this mean? It means if you don't get paid, we don't get paid. It's just that simple. So there is absolutely no financial risk to hiring an attorney. Review your case with us. We will talk to you absolutely for free, no commitment, no pressure. We will give you basic information about your case. We will advise you of the status of your case, and then you can decide whether or not you need an attorney to help protect your case. Also, we offer consultations in person, by phone, or by video chat. Just let us know what works best for you. We're here to fight for you to get you the coverage you deserve.